Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. All infant carrier car seats can be installed on an ISOfix base, but for most of them that ISOfix base is an optional extra that you don't have to use. Most of these car seats can actually be belt fitted, which is handy if you ever need to use the seat in somebody else's car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to belt fit your infant carrier. This is the Joie i-Snug, an infant carrier that's suitable from 40 to 75 centimetres, which is birth to approximately 12 months. To install this car seat with the seat belt, you place it rear facing on the back seat and make sure that the backrest is at roughly a 45-degree angle. The nice thing about this infant carrier is that there is a horizontal blue line on the sticker on the side of the seat, and that blue line needs to be parallel to the ground so you know that the seat is at the correct angle. Before you install the seat in the car, it's easier to move the carry handle out of the way. You do that by pressing this button and another one exactly the same on the other side. Press them both at the same time and lean the handle back, and also fold the hood down because it gives you more room to get your arms through. You then pull out the seat belt, take the lap belt part and hook it under the hook here with the blue line on it on the side of the seat. You then pass the lap belt under the second hook and buckle the belt in. And then to pull the seat belt as tight as possible, I always put my leg in the footwell and push the seat into the back of the car with my leg and pull the belt really tight at the same time. Then wrap the diagonal belt around the back of the car seat. And you then pass the belt through the blue guide on the back of the seat, bottom and top, and then pull the belt tight. And I pull the belt tight by placing my hand on the side of the seat and with the other hand pulling the belt really tight. So I'm effectively pulling my hands apart like this to get all the slack out of the seat belt. And the final step is then to sit the carry handle back up in its upright position. And when the seat is fitted correctly, it looks like this from the inside of the car. So the lap belt goes over the baby's lap, the buckle is down here, and the diagonal belt then wraps around the back of the seat through that blue clip. And then when you open the door on the other side, you can see how the car seat is fitted from this angle, with the seat belt coming up from the door, going around the back of the car seat. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.